Hi mate, how are you?
Good, buddy. So that's the key for it.
Okay.
Basically, it went through the washing machine.
Alright.
You can keep this one and just give me 15-20 minutes. I will fix it up everything and make a new key for you.
Alright.
All right. Yeah.
And you
So just let's program the remote. Yes, good. Yep. Alright. Shut. Good. This is your old key, and this is the new key, mate.
excellent.
Alright, and try it if you want. You want to pay by card or cash?
By card.
Alright. There you go. Yep, it's sent, mate. Everything is done.
Beautiful.
Yep, easy, man. I'm just recording the video for my social media. Is that alright?
Yeah, no, that's
All
fine.
good. Thank you, man. See ya.
Easy. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.